Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain the types of solutions on the basis of state of matter. We know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. On this basis there are 9 types of solutions: solution of gas in gas, gas in liquid, gas in solid, liquid in liquid, liquid in gas, liquid in solid, solid in solid, solid in liquid and solid in gas. First, I will explain the solution of gases. In solution of gases, gas will be solute, solvent may be gas, may be solid or may be liquid. So there are 3 types of solutions of gases. Number 1, solution of gas in gas mean in such solutions both solute and solvent are gases. The gas which is present in larger amount act as a solvent and the gas which is present in smaller amount act as a solute. I have large number of examples. The first example is mixture of N2 and H2 is used in Haber process for synthesis of ammonia. The second example is mixture of NH3 ammonia and CO2, they are used for the preparation of urea fertilizers. These are the 2 examples of solution of gas and gas. In Haber process, mixture of nitrogen and hydrogen is used. In urea preparation, mixture of ammonia and carbon dioxide are used. So in both examples, solute is gas and solvent is also gas. Second type of solution of gas is solution of gas in liquid. Solutions of gas in liquid. In such solutions, solute is gas and solvent is liquid. We have large number of example of this case. We know that in sea water, oxygen is dissolved in water and due to presence of this oxygen, aquatic life is possible. In everyday life, carbonated water, cold drinks contain carbon dioxide. In carbonated water, CO2 is dissolved in water. It is dissolved under high pressure. So carbon dioxide is present in smaller amount, it is a solute, and water is present in larger amount, so water is a solvent. In sea water, in ponds, oxygen is present in dissolved form. So oxygen is the solute and water is a solvent. Third type of solution of gases, C part, solutions of gas in solid. Solution of gas in solid mean in such solutions solute is gas and solvent is solid. In such solutions, solute is gas and solvent is solid. For example, H2 adsorb on nickel in process of hydrogenation. We know that when hydrogen is passed through the oil, oil becomes solidified and nickel acts as a catalyst. In this process, hydrogen become adsorbed on the nickel. So hydrogen is present in smaller amount and act as a solute, and nickel is present in the larger amount and act as a solvent. So this is all about the solutions of gases. The second type of solutions are solutions of liquids. Solutions of liquids. There are three types of solutions of liquids. A part, solutions of liquid in liquid. Solutions of liquid in liquid mean when both solute and solvent are liquids. So we can say that in such solutions both solute and solvent are liquids. For example, rectified spirit and vinegar. What is rectified spirit? Rectified spirit is 95% volume by volume ethanol. 95% volume by volume solution of ethanol is called rectified spirit. Actually, it is obtained from the fermentation process, and if we have 100 cm cube of rectified spirit, it contains 95 cm cube of ethanol and 5 cm cube of water. So the liquid which is present in larger amount act as a solvent, and the liquid which is present in smaller amount act as a solute. Similarly, vinegar is the solution of acetic acid in water. One liquid is present in larger amount, other liquid is present in smaller amount. The liquid which is present in larger amount act as a solvent, and the liquid which is present in smaller amount act as a solute. So this is the first type of solution of liquids, solution of liquid in liquid. Second is B part, solutions of liquid in solid. Liquid in solid mean if solute is liquid and solvent is solid. So we can say that in such solutions, solute is liquid and solvent is solid. In such solutions, solute is liquid and solvent is solid. This is the very important type of solutions. We should know that only one metal is liquid, all metals are solids. The metal which exists in liquid state is mercury. When any metal solid dissolve in mercury, the resulting mixture is called amalgam. They are not allies. So this term is used in chemistry, which is the amalgams, mixture of mercury with other metals. And two types of amalgams are used in dental filling: silver amalgam and tin amalgam. When silver is dissolved in mercury or tin is dissolved in mercury, they form semi-solid mass and it is placed in the cavity. When they become hard, they fill the whole cavity. Due to this reason, they are used in the dental filling. So these are the example of solution of solid in liquid. Because in silver amalgam, silver is solvent and mercury is solute. In tin amalgams, mercury is solute and tin is the solvent. The last type of solutions of liquids are C part, solutions of liquid in gas. Solutions of liquid in gas. In such solutions, solute is liquid and solvent is gas. The very simple concept is in solution of liquids, solute is always liquid. Solvent may be liquid, solvent may be solid, solvent may be gas. In these solutions, solute is liquid and solvent is gas. So simply we can write in such solutions, solute is liquid and solvent is gas. The best example of such solution is the fog. We know that in fog, water vapors are mixed in air. Water vapors are mixed in air. Water vapors are present in smaller amount, so water vapors act as a solute. And air is present in larger amount, so air act as a solvent. In case of mist, in case of clouds, all these are the examples of solution of liquid and gas. So this is all about the concept of two types of solutions: solution of gases and solutions of liquids. Thank you.